how are you? My name is Shanika. This is my grandma, Annette. I am here making my submission for the $50,000 scholarship to help support my dreams of completing school. Just a little bit backstory about myself. I am applying to your doctorate program. This $50,000 will definitely help me and my family out a lot. I have my grandma here just to talk about who is the most important person in my life, and it is her. She has done a lot of sacrifices for us. Just to give a touch base, so we are from Trinidad and Tobago, small little island in the Caribbean, and all my family immigrated over here. Unfortunately, when Trump was in office, he was going to deport my family, so my grandma sacrificed herself and started to become a prostitute for us. This here, it's okay. It's okay, it's for the money.
We're talking about prostitute.
It's okay, it's for the money.
You think I can't big enough to go and prostitute out there? What I'm telling you?
Excuse me, don't mind here.
Don't tell me don't mind, man.
Granny, it's okay, it's just for the money. I have to help you out.
I don't care about the money, I'm not selling my cat for nobody.
Granny, so she's selling herself.
Hey!
Granny, it's okay. So, let me just finish, please. Trump is not in office anymore.
So wait, look.
So
I'm not selling my ton for nobody.
This is a very sensitive subject because her pimp is, blackmailing us right now. She owes a lot.
What the fuck you talking about with pimp? Have any fucking pimp?
Granny, you have a pimp.
What pimp?
Who was the man?
What you pimp them?
It's been multiple men coming in and out of our house.
Oh God, where the fuck wrong with us again?
Granny,